And I'm getting ready for another little adventure. Polar's nearly packed. It's going to be swags this time, so nice and easy. King Pete up, so my swag's just in there. Just there we go. We are off to do a little recce for a trip we've got coming up. We're going to Kenilworth. This is a selection of all the tracks up there. We'll see how we go. Just a simple drive up. Gonna have a look at the bakery because under strict instructions to get Steph and Michelle the vanilla slice, and then I realised it says voted best vanilla slice in Australia. We've had a really cruisy ride up. They didn't get their vanilla slice because the bakery was closed. Very pretty out here, and we are nearly at the deer park. I can't remember what crossing number they said they're over. Is it number 2? Here we are, pretty much here. Oh dear.
I've mowed the grass. The deer got nowhere to hide.
There used to be piggies in there last time I came. There we go, there's some deer there. Yeah. That could be dinner just there. Oh yeah, and we used to have pigs on the road many years ago, yeah. Yeah, left, sorry, left. I pointed that way and you knew what I meant.
I knew what you meant, I know what you said too.
Oh, there's loads, look. They're like, because I think that's pretty much where we're staying when we come back, that area. Then we'll just pull over in here. So night has rolled in. Well, not really, it's the evening. The fire is going. Potatoes are on. Sausages aren't done yet. Daisy is going to have a lovely night under the stars over there. Why would that be, Daisy?
Oh, not actually, because it's very cloudy. That's why I didn't bring my...
yeah, else you would have gone your blue moon or whatever else it is. The boys have got swags. Some jacket spuds, old English sausages, good old baked beans, and some coleslaw. Somewhere up there, I don't know if you can see it, it's a spectacular blue moon. Daisy cooking up a storm this morning, doing bacon and eggs for everyone. The mist thatch is beautiful now. That mist's already all gone, isn't it? Beautiful blue skies. Showers, etc. all done. Can highly recommend the showers down there. Really, really good. Great water pressure, hot water. Camp's nearly all packed down. Pretty much just the awnings to go. Daisy's boiling some water on her, what's it called again? Kelly kettle. This thing is awesome. So if anyone wants to know what to get me as a little prezi, I'd happily receive one of these. Basically like a rocket stove, which is also boiling the water. It's like a water sleeve with a rocket stove in the middle. Awesome. Borumba Deer Park. Big thumbs up for myself. Borumba Dam. No, and I've got a memory that I did this many years ago in the other direction.
Wasn't ready for that one. Scratch, 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 scratch. Scratch. Oh, that's right, bush barriers. You could do an ad for going along the scratch.
Oh, yeah. Thank God for bush barriers.
Yeah. Okay, I'll test mine out then. There's no locker in going over that, was there?
No. Oh shit, I'm not even in four-wheel drive yet. You reckon go left?
Well, the track's going to be going left. That takes you down in the gully and back around.
Oh yeah. And then left at the fork.
Roger. The gate's here. So I got one pole left on this side. There's the other gate.
There's the gate.
It's slightly rearranged.
Yeah, see in the wet this would be much trickier.
It's just bad, but this is not the hard bit.
No, but it looks like it would get slippy. Could almost go low range just for the comfort.
So I just find low range gives you a bit better control.
Yeah.
But you got the horsepower.
Yeah, but you don't want to necessarily use the horsepower.
But the other side of it too, by doing high range, you're heating up your transmission and torque converter.
Yeah, I'm going to do it now anyway.
You will need low range soon. Big bonnet in front.
I'm going to lift my seat up.
Yeah, and then now it starts getting interesting. Up to the top.
Shut up.
So not the roof. Oh man.
Lucky that although you forgot your chainsaw, we can just drive over this tree over the road.
Good, thank you.
Although
That
this might actually turn into a single track for bikes.
just put your nose in there.
Pete reckons it'll fit, and I'm telling him it's a single track for a bike.
Will fit.
There is no way that is a track.
So is it or is it? That's a motorbike anyway.
No, it's a motorbike track. Actually, it's not very steep in this section.
Gives you an idea. But even that track looks, yeah, see up further you got some serious ruts. You have to be committed. Oh, actually it's not that, oh no. Yeah, the locker in? So that's not. So obviously that route, you're hitting the route. It's,
Yeah.
like I said, it looks shitty up there off camber to the left. You got up into there, you'd have to winch yourself the rest of the way. There you go, you're back on track.
So it's that one.
So if you actually came with a little bit more gusto, went either to the right or the left,
Yeah, if I go left and up.
or even go to the right and straddle them.
across the track there, just in front of you, it's probably the worst part of it.
After we hummed and hawed this hill climb, we did walk it. I decided, bugger it, I'll drive it. I forgot to film it, so here comes Daisy. Yeah, good to go. As always, cameras do flatten things out, but yeah, this is steep. Oh, got a bit of bouncing going on. You want to go more left. Try and go left a bit.
Okay, I think I've done something.
Oh no,
Got no drive.
you're joking. Righto, okay. So it doesn't go into reverse or anything. So things have taken a little bit of a change for the worse. The climb that we just did, we were okay on. Polar walked it actually, to be honest, I think. Polar, not me. Unfortunately, Daisy's hit a couple of problems. We can't head back down there because she's on the bottom of the track, so we're going to try and find a loop to go round to come up behind her, so we'll just show you the beautiful view whilst we're up here down there at the lake, if it comes out on the camera. Was that you, Daisy?
Yeah, the top shaft.
Did she say prop shaft?
Front of that prop shaft, yeah.
I need to learn how to stop that noise coming on. No.
All the sensors.
Is it that one? Let's turn that thing off. It's annoying me. So you think that prop shaft has come out?
Well, I don't know how the setup is under there, but to lose front and back, that's just bizarre. You'd think you'd at least have one. So, I don't know.
We shall find out shortly.
Yeah. Go learn about those uses.
I'm actually glad I made a cup of tea because I'll be able to have a sip of tea, calm myself down a little bit, and then work out what we're going to do.
We're going to be a block pulling and shoving. Oh look, there she is.
We think we might have spotted one of the problems with the D-Max. I'm not too sure that's meant to look like that.
No.
Okay, this is part one of the recovery. Standing behind a big, massive tree. Over now.
I'll turn to the right.
Well, part one of the recce has come to an end. It was fun. There's the hill, which I don't know if you can see it. I'll try and zoom in afterwards. It's just really, really unfortunate. So the verdict was prop shaft and CV together on the old Maxi. So plan is, I think we'll sit around with Polar and then flat toe out and then get to Imbil and reassess. Let's hope the bakery's still open, else we're going to be in real trouble. So Daisy's actually made it quite a long way under her own steam. Unfortunately, it was all downhill. So here we go, live strap, no one stepping over, no fines, happy days. The journey out continues. This is the end of Maxine's day. They just don't build them tough like this. So definitely a better winch than